Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads, and I was just doing some research in our area on tree removal services. Came across your company, and I've actually used you guys before. I'm right outside of, well, I'm in Drescher, so right outside of Orland there. And I came across your website. I thought I'd give you guys this analysis, this video, kind of show you how you guys are doing, and see if you're interested in learning more about how Christy's Leads can help your online presence. So if you're interested, just feel free to reach out afterwards. And if not, no problem at all. No harm, no foul. Any comments on the video are greatly appreciated. So anything, if it was helpful or not, any tips would be appreciated. So I'm going to start here on your front page here. So things look good. You have a nice information in the back, a working toolbar, your logo here, email, phone. That looks good. Generally, Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content on their front page. Nice images there, pictures. They're always nice to see of you guys working. So yeah, 1,500 words generally lets Google understand what you actually want to be ranked for and for what areas. So Bucks County, Montgomery County, things like that. It looks like your Bucks County office is here, and I think you have a Montgomery County one as well. I don't know if that's on this web page or there's a different web page, but this is what I saw. Within those 1,500 words of content, we throw around like 8 to 10 keywords that are highly searched and ranked on Google. So maybe words like tree removal, Bucks County, things like that. Even the way you save your images counts as content. So you want to make sure maybe your, stump removal, Montgomery County, stump grinding, stuff like that. Can help just Google understand what you want to be searched for and then pop you up for more searches. It's a good way to optimize your site for sure. So the next thing I'm going to talk about are citations in the map pack. So I did do Tree Services Montgomery County, PA, because I thought you guys had worked out of there. So let me just explain this to you. There's lots of ways that people are searching for the same thing on Google. So some people may put in tree removal Montgomery County, PA. Some people may put in Montgomery County, PA tree services. Some people, might just put in tree companies. So one of the ways to optimize your searches is to figure out which ways people are searching for most and then to appear first above all of your competitors. So people don't even have to go to another competitor. They already like what they see. They saw you first. Generally, people don't go past like 1, 2, or 3 businesses. And I'd say like about 95% of people do not go past the first page. So definitely being on the first page is important. And this map pack here is important, which is what I want to talk about. Just being in the map pack will get you a lot of clicks. Being in the map pack first and being first organically, the first business underneath it, will get you about 80% of the search volume for this keyword here. So 80% of that, there could be 100 searches for this a month. You're getting 80% of them. So that's 80 customers that are clicking into your website. Figure you convert 5 to 10 of them, 5 to 10%. So that's a potential 8 new buyers, 8, 10 new buyers a month. Just, just from your optimizing your website. So in order to get into this map pack here, you just have to beat out your competitor citations. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number as it appears in online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Angie's. The more you're out there, the more Google trusts you, and the more you're able to beat out your competitors and rank here in the map pack. So, and you also want to be not only in the map pack, but you want to be the first company underneath the map pack, the first business to appear what we call organically. So without an ad and not being an online directory. So like house, they don't count. Montgomery County Alive. So it looks like this company is the first one. In order to get into that spot, you want to have the most backlinks with the most high quality domains. That certainly helps give power to your site. So you're probably wondering what a backlink is. So a backlink is any other website that links back to yours. And it could be from a blog that someone's talking about tree removal services, and they put your name there and they post you in and it links back to you. The blog is the referring domain. So this is just a tool we use called Ahrefs, and it gives us some insight into each website's what's going on. It's not a perfect tool. It could be off by a little bit, but it's a general idea. So you guys have 604 backlinks and 36 referring domains. You want to make sure these are high quality and quantity because the quality matters. The better quality, the more power you're bringing to your site. You're ranking in the top 100 spots for 31 keywords, and you're bringing in about 11 visitors a month. Let me just click on your keywords here, and while that's loading, I'm just going to run, looks like Clauser Tree Service. They say they're in Chalfont, so I'm sure they go beyond that, like I think you guys do too. But here's a number of backlinks they have. Here's their domains, 357 keywords, and they're getting 316 visitors a month. And let's see, here's Rick's Expert Tree Service, another tree service in Bucks County. 2,500 backlinks, but only 115 domains. 530 keywords in the top 20, getting 170 visitors a month. Let's go back to you guys and just look at some of the keywords. Okay, so it looks like you want to be in the first 2 spots. That's probably where you're going to get the most looks. Here's a very buyer intent keyword, tree service Langhorne. Someone lives in Langhorne and wants tree service. There's only 20 searches a month. It's 0 KD, which means it's not difficult to rank for. And you guys are sitting in spot 7, which isn't bad, but it's probably on the second page. And the second page just doesn't get that many looks. So again, you definitely want to be in the top 3, and we aim for the top 2. Tree service Bucks County, that has a little more search volume, a little bit more difficult to rank for, but still not bad. This number goes on a scale from 0 to 100. And you guys are in spot 22. So, you know, you want to bump your way up. Bucks County Tree Service, 10 searches a month, spot 21. Tree services in Bucks County, 30 searches a month, spot 27. So if we put you in for all these different keywords, that's 30 plus 10 plus 50. You know, you're looking at almost 100 visits, 100 searches a month that are coming your way. Tree removal Bucks County, PA, there's another 20. You're in spot 35. So, you know, if you were in spots 1 or 2 for all those words, you know, you'd be getting about 100 people searching for you a month and going to your website, seeing your website first. So that could potentially, mostly that converts to about 5 to 10%. So that could be, you know, 5 to 10 more customers a month for you. Tree service Montgomery County, 30 searches, you're in spot 51. So as you can see, those keywords are very buyer, higher intent leads and can help you, you know, rank for things that you want to service. So I hope the video was helpful. If you want to learn anything more about Christie's leads, please reach out. And if not, no harm, no foul. Thanks for watching.